Hey everyone, welcome to Unboxing Hiver. In this video, we're going to explore the Salesforce Hiver integration and see how Hiver brings key Salesforce data into your workspace, so your team isn't jumping between tabs just to answer one customer email. Let's get started. Head over to the Hiver admin panel. Then go to Apps. This is the central place where you can discover, connect, and manage all your integrations. Let me show you how easily you can set up Salesforce. Click on the Salesforce app. Review the capabilities of the Salesforce Hiver integration, and when you're ready, click Start Setup. Next, click to authenticate. In the new tab that opens, log into Salesforce and approve the requested permissions. In the Setup tab, select the shared inboxes and user roles that should have access to Salesforce data. Once you save and enable it, your app setup is complete. This is how apps can be connected to Hiver with a simple, guided, one-click authentication flow. Once your apps are connected and enabled, you can also control the visibility of the cards and their fields from the app's visibility settings. Click on the eye icon to configure card visibility, which shared inboxes will show Salesforce cards and which members of those inboxes can see them. Then you configure field visibility, which Salesforce fields should appear beside conversations inside Hiver. While the standard integration offers comprehensive functionality out of the box, Hiver also provides advanced customization through our support team. Your organization can request custom field mapping to tailor the integration to your specific workflows. Now, let's look at how you actually use these apps inside Hiver. When you open an email in Hiver, the Apps panel on the right shows relevant CRM data instantly. In the case of Salesforce, you can view information related to accounts, opportunities, cases, and contacts. All of these gives you instant context to resolve the query without leaving your inbox. If a lead, opportunity, contact, or account doesn't exist in Salesforce, you can create it directly from Hiver. Click the plus icon in the Apps panel, select the object type, fill in the fields, and click Create. If the right record isn't visible, you can also search and link it manually. Type keywords in the search bar to find CRM records from within Hiver. Hiver recommends smart suggestions based on the email content. Select the record and click Link to attach it to the conversation. You can additionally use the Sync Conversation option on any email. Choose the specific Salesforce record to log the conversation against. And the selected email, along with all future replies in that thread, will be automatically synced to Salesforce. You can also use deep links present in the cards to open those records in Salesforce for deeper information. With Salesforce connected to Hiver, you can also set up automation rules to assign conversations to the right owner, create leads and cases in Salesforce, and log emails in Salesforce. That's Salesforce inside Hiver, enabling your team to spend less time hunting for information and more time helping customers. Thanks for watching.